Hello, I hope all are doing great. So today we are going to discuss on one of the important and frequently asked interview question. Okay, so what is that? So before that, let me just show you. This is one class and it is going to extend the SRS report data provider base. And this is one more class and it is extending SRS report data provider pre-processed MDP. These two are the data provider classes, but why it is extending sometimes SRS report data provider base and sometimes on pre-processed MDB, right? So interviewer ask the question in such a way that first they'll ask what are the standard classes which are extending the report. You can say the standard classes for the data provider and for the remaining classes of the report. Okay, so after that they'll be asking then what is the difference between SRS report data provider pre-processed MDB and SRS report data provider base, right? So basically this data provider base is used for the report, and this also used for a report. This is a common thing. And coming to report data provider base, it when you create any reports and need to retrieve data from the database or other sources, right, you can create the class that extends this particular data provider base to implement your custom logic for fetching and processing the data. Okay, so it's something like it allows the developers to create some data provider classes to supply data to the SSRS reports. Okay, to supply data to the SSRS report. Then what is the use of this class? Right, so this class is specifically designed to assist in pre-processing any temporary tables for SSRS report. Like in D365FO, temporary tables are often used to store intermediate data for report generation, which you can able to see. If you know the concept, you'll understand this the statement which I made. So this SRS report data provider pre-processed MDB is used for preparing temporary tables before the report executes, and it provides methods to populate temporary tables with data needed for the report, and it performs a pre-processing calculations or manipulations, and it prepares the data to be presented in the report. So this is about the SSRS, this I mean data provider, sorry, pre-processed MDB. And I'll just tell you in a simple line as well. In summary, this SRS report data provider base is a base class used to create a custom data provider classes for reports. Okay. Coming to SRS report data provider pre-processed MDB is a specific class used to handle the pre-processing of temporary tables before the report execution and ensuring that the required data is available and properly formatted for reporting purpose. So this is the frequently asked interview question in most of the interviews. So if you need this kind of inputs or some suggestions, follow me on YouTube, Instagram, and I have the if you have any need of training, I'll list my number in the description. You can also take the training on the same platform. Thank you so much. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.